So you drop the motor down a little bit, so because you can't get to the hose that blew back here.
Absolutely not.
This hose, you can tell, is completely like blown out.
When the
you show them that the hose again.
I can put my hand through the hose.
Yeah, see, there's the hose right there.
It just blew wide open.
So you have to move the engine down and forward a bit, so you can get your hand and get your tools in there to replace that hose. And so he put it up on jacks and dropped it down, and it's just holding it up there by the jacks and the stands and everything.
Now, oh man, that just fits right there perfectly. I don't know what I was worried about. It's exactly the right hose. Fits in there. This one fits here. Absolutely perfectly. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, I'm going to go myself a 5/16 nut driver. The problem I'm actually having at this point in time is getting a pair of pliers on a spring clip that has been attached to a rubber hose for, 8 years of getting hot, and it doesn't. You know what I really need to do here is modify these pliers even further. There's our hose. Boom. One side. Oh, those pliers, they were fucking brilliantly, Stefan. I bet GMC has something just similar that they use. That's the culprit. All this for that stupid little hose. Who designed this crap?
Yeah.
I probably have a 5-gallon bucket full of those stupid spring clips that I've cut out and replaced. So here we go. That's it. That's the bad boy.
Yep.
Now we go and I might bring my heat gun so I can get this shit warm, so it'll stretch over the fucking fitting easier.
Nice.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'll put a little bit of grease around the inside because it is a tiny bit smaller on the inside.
Yeah.
Which is fine. I want it tight any goddamn way.